Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am here today with more gadgets for you. Here in today's video, you will see 5 best selfie sticks to capture those lovely moments and save them in your timeline. In case you already own one, then it's time to upgrade, or if you don't, then let's get you started. Let's check out which of these selfie stick is for you, according to your needs. This smart selfie stick will make you look good in every shot. The Pictar Smart-Light Selfie Stick comes with a detachable light, a remote tilt function, and a 6-button control panel. The small, powerful detachable headlight quickly and easily attaches to and removes from the stick. And you can change its angle all the way to the back. Powered by the Pictar app, this gadget works with most phones. A tiny electric motor at the top of the stick lets you change the phone's angle up to 270 degrees. The control panel allows you to adjust image brightness, zoom in and out, switch between the front and rear cameras, and more, without touching your phone. The lightweight Pictar Smart-Light Selfie Stick weighs just 210 grams, 0.46 pounds, with the headlight attached. Also, it extends up to 83 centimeters long. It comes in 3 colors: silver black, millennial pink, and smoky white. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. The Just Mobile ShutterGrip 2 Pocket Phone Grip is here to help you take selfies. Using Bluetooth technology, this iPhone grip has a remote for easy photo taking. So you can set your device up on a tripod and capture incredible family pictures without cutting anyone out. Also, this phone grip ensures you hold onto your smartphone with just one hand while taking photos. It can be hard to get a good grip on your phone with cold hands or a slick smartphone case. With this phone grip, you will never worry about your phone falling to the ground and its possible damage. And this selfie stick grip makes sure you take only stable photos and videos. With 360-degree rotation, it helps you capture your friends' sweet skateboarding moves without any blurs or bumps. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. The Moza Mini S is a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for mobile devices. Perfect for roaming content creators, the Mini S delivers the smoothness and support in a portable package for portable devices. The max payload of the Mini S is 260 grams, while the unit itself weighs less than 500 grams, and is foldable for the ultimate in portability. The Moza Mini S features a unique 10-degree tilt, which promises a more comfortable grip position. The included lithium rechargeable battery of this gimbal delivers an astonishing 8 hours of runtime per charge. A versatile tool, the Moza Mini S allows such advanced functionality as slow motion, hyperlapse, Vertigo, Inception, sport gear mode, and more. To keep your handheld footage steady, the Mini S provides 270 degrees of pan, 200 degrees of tilt, and 315 degrees of roll. It also comes with a mini tripod for a group photo. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. Whether you are a vlogger or capturing memories, the VIEWPT VR180 NANO 4K VR Livestreaming Camera will help you on your path. This 4K camera instantly streams your video at 30 frames per second and 1080p quality. Your family, friends, and followers for your video blog will be impressed with the high-quality live streams and videos you produce. Plus, this VR camera works with Google VR180, whether you mount it to your phone, drone, selfie stick, or something else. The Nano Dual HD fisheye lens ensures that you can translate everything that any scenery has to show into an ultra-high-definition 4K film that includes more of what you are recording. The VIEWPT has a built-in battery that ensures it will last for at least an hour of shooting. But if you need more time, simply plug it into your device via its USB-C or Lightning port and keep on going. Nano is compatible with Android and iOS smartphone. You can monitor your videos with its app in real time. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. Not only for your professional cameras but also for your phones, this phone grip design is perfect for the 5.7 to 9.2 centimeters width smartphones. It can be reverse folded to 180 degree, and net weight only 1.87 pounds, including phone grip. It is ideal for indoor and outdoor photography, such as sports activities, camping, family gatherings, and much more. The camera tripod can be converted to monopod by screwing together the tripod tube, and the center axis. The selfie stick length can be 55 to 140 centimeters. so you can use it either as a tripod or a monopod for your DSLR video cameras, digital cameras, GoPro devices, and more. The quick flip leg lock and angle adjustment lock provide flexibility to meet your desired shooting height and angle. The height can be from 26.5 to 143 centimeters. Easily connect the tripod with SLR camera, microphone and self stick with standard 1/4 inch screw. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. This is Spivo 360. Capture every angle for amazing adventure memories with the Spivo swivel button on your phone or GoPro. It is a rotating selfie stick. So basically, you mount your GoPro or smartphone onto the Spivo 360, and set it up so the camera is either facing you or facing away. And to operate, simply press the red button to switch the camera around so it's facing the other way. It's one of those really simple gadgets that can change the way you use your GoPro. It is an idle gimbal or selfie stick for someone who is looking for quick or easy way to make short films. The Spivo 360 is tough and lightweight. It's not extendable like other selfie sticks, but it is 20 inches long, enough to capture the perfect moment. It also comes with Wi-Fi GoPro remote add-on and Bluetooth remote for smartphone as an add-on. It comes in a little travel sleeve with a strap so you can easily carry it over your shoulder or across your body, and it's so light I wouldn't even notice it's there. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.